Okay guys, so in this video and I will be explaining the questions, the last question in your book, Unit 2. So the one about the wolf. Okay, so this is a requested video from Rachel. So we got this question in the booklet as well. So I'll just use this book, it's the same thing. Okay, all right, let's have a look how do we do this question. So with this type of question, normally we need to draw a graph, because a diagram, because this is a real life situation, so we want to know what's happening. Okay, say at a high tide, the deck of a boat is 1.0 meter above a wharf. Okay, so okay, first I'm going to draw a wharf. Let me say this is a wharf. Okay, and then when it's high tide, the boat is 1.0 meter above the wharf. Okay, let's say this is where the boat is. Okay, so here, that's high tide. I'll say high tide. High tide, the height is 1.0 meter higher than the wharf. Okay, and the tide caused the boat to rise and fall. So the boat is going to go up and down, and with the simple amplitude of 2 meter. Okay, so 2 meters, say I'll draw the low tide. So when the low tide, the boat is over here. Or amplitude of 2 meter. So amplitude of 2 meters, I draw it wrong. So this is actually equilibrium position over here. Okay, so a low tide should be 4 meters down. It should be here. This will be low tide. So low tide, because it's an amplitude, so this is equilibrium here. So equilibrium. Okay, so equilibrium is over here. Okay, and then for what fraction of the tidal is it necessary to step down from the wharf to the deck of the boat? Step down from the wharf to the deck of the boat. Okay, so I'm going to use my reference circle. Say this is going to be my reference circle. Okay, so this is to the low tide, and this is to the high tide. Okay, all right, so I'm going to label where the wharf is. So the wharf is going to be over here, or it could be over here. Okay, and then what the question is asking, it says necessary to step down from the wharf to the deck. So which one is higher? Step down from the wharf to the deck. So the deck is lower. Right now the deck is higher, right? We want to find the section where the deck is lower. So this section coming down and going up is when the deck is lower. That's when you go down from the wharf to the deck. So if I draw here, the phasor, and this is going to be the fraction angle theta that we need to step down from the wharf to the deck. Okay, all right, and then once you know that, well, then it becomes easy, right? So this length is going to be, this is 1 meter, so this is going to be 1 meter, and this is 2 meter. So from that, it's actually easy. This is a 60 degree here. Okay, I mean, obviously you can use Pythagoras and stuff to calculate, okay? So, but 1 to 2, it's always a 60 degree, okay? And then the total T is gonna be 12 hours. So what you can do, you can find the fraction, okay? So this angle theta is actually gonna equal to 360 degree minus 120 degrees. So that equals to 240 degree. So this theta, the time is actually gonna be 2/3 of a total 12. So that will give me 8 hours. Okay, and that's the easy way to do it. If you can figure out this is going to be 60 degree and it's 120. 120 is a third. So this is 2/3 of the whole 12 hour. So it's going to be 8 hours easy. Okay. All right. So if you say I can't do that, well then we go to our original method where we calculate omega. Omega equals to 2 pi over period. And I'm going to turn that 12 hour into seconds. 2 pi, and then I get omega. Once I get omega, and then time equals the angle theta divided by omega, then you get the answer, okay? And then again, you will need to calculate this big angle, and then you're going to use 2 pi minus that big angle over there. Okay, so yeah, so that's this question. I think this part shouldn't be too hard for you guys. The difficult part is drawing this diagram and figuring out what's happening. And the main thing is say stepping down from the wharf to the deck. So that means when it's below this point over here. Okay. All right. So yeah, and that's it for this video. Very short. Just quickly explain this question. So yeah. So we're gonna move on to the next part. Okay. All right. See you in the next video.